We will use A4 paper to fold this paper airplane. First, we will fold about 1.8 centimeters from the edge. Now we will mark the point. Okay. And then make a half fold. Open up and fold the top edge to the center crease. Fold the other side. And then take the triangle and fold along the edge. And take the corner, fold the edge to the center crease. Fold the other side. Okay, open them up and fold the outer edge to the crease we just made. And fold the other side. Okay, fold like this, and then we can see there is an intersection point here. I will mark it. Okay, this is the intersection point, and then we fold them up and take the triangle and fold it through the point, and then fold them back. Next, we will tuck the layers into the pocket. Like this. Okay, we should get it like this. Next, make a half fold. We will fold the wings. We will fold a little bit above the nose, about 1 centimeters, and two dads about 4.8 centimeters from the bottom edge. Okay, I will mark the point. We can use a ruler or something to help. Okay. Flip it over and fold the other side. Just to match it. Flatten it. Like Susan plane, we will tape the plane in some point. I will show you where will be taped. Okay, the plane is ready. Thank you. See you next time.